Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Portuguese bean soup. Portuguese bean soup is another classic dish of Hawaii. It gets its name because Portuguese sausage is used as part of its ingredients. It's eaten on days that are chilly to warm the soul with this delicious, hearty soup. Here are the following ingredients. Portuguese sausage is also called linguiça, which is made of smoked, cured pork sausage. First, brown the Portuguese sausage to release some of its oils. Then add in garlic and onions to caramelize it. Then add in the carrots and let it cook for a little bit. Add the celery and last since it holds a lot of water and won't help caramelize the vegetables. After the vegetables have been cooked for a few minutes, add in the pork hocks, crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, kidney beans, pepper, and salt. Mix it well. Then add in the chicken stock and stir it to mix everything together. As you bring it to a simmer, the impurities will rise to the top. Skim the top to get rid of it. Cover the pot and let it cook for an hour. After an hour, remove the ham hocks to cool down. Then add in the potatoes and cabbage. Let it cook for 30 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked all the way. In the meantime, remove any meat from the ham hocks. It is optional to use the skin if you prefer to have a chewy texture. Cut the pieces into bite sizes. After the soup has been cooked for 30 minutes, add in the ham hocks and macaroni. I like to keep the macaroni on the side of the soup and add it in when you eat it, so that it doesn't get mushy over time. And serve it hot with or without rice. Oh, and don't forget to add in the soda crackers to give it some texture. Enjoy this onolicious Portuguese bean soup. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!